Hi gamers! In this video, let's find step-by-step guide to Veles Detector is widely regarded as the best artifact scanner in Stalker 2. Here's an overview of its features, acquisition methods, and comparisons with other detectors in the game. Precision artifact detection. The Veles Detector displays the exact location of artifacts and anomalies on an LE. Descreened, providing a significant upgrade over earlier models that relied solely on sound cues. Simultaneous detection. It can detect multiple artifacts at once, making it invaluable for navigating high-yield artifact zones. Anomaly proximity warning. While it doesn't visually represent anomalies like the more advanced Veles Detector, it emits audible alerts when approaching danger zones. How to acquire the Veles Detector main story mission. The most straightforward way to obtain the Veles Detector is by completing the main mission titled In Search of Past Warrior, which is the 21st mission in the game. Upon completion, players are rewarded with this essential tool. Faction rewards. Completing specific tasks for certain factions may also yield the Veles Detector as a reward. Exploration. Players can find it in specific locations or as loot during their exploration. Although this method is less reliable compared to completing missions, that's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.